Hello everyone, here's my outfit of the day. I'm wearing green today. I got this dress from Express a few months ago. Love it. And I'm taking this Birkin with me because she hasn't been out for months. I'm on my way there, taking you back to Hermes store. I was there 2 months ago and now I'm back for the second appointment. Hermes still taking appointments only and also curbside pickup, but I'm going in for an appointment. So I see you there. So here I am at Hermes store, coming in for my appointment, but I have to text my SA so he can unlock the door for me. Okay, so I have mask on and I'm ready for my appointment. I'm so excited, very, very excited. Look at this. They're just taking appointments only. So I already text my SA and he is just done with his customer. So now I'm waiting for him to clean the space and then he's gonna unlock the door. Then I can go inside. I'm super excited today, you guys. I can't wait to show you what I'm gonna get. I can't wait to see what he had for me there. Hello, how are you? After having hand sanitizer, I just wait for my SA to show what he had for me. Thanks to my cameraman who is trying to film the current collection in store. There are beautiful wallets, scarves, and bags in bright colors for spring and summer.
I mean, you can't go wrong. You want to get this one. If you want to exchange it, just come in and do this. Pick with your offer. See what you think.
Can you see the big box he has there for me? We were chatting about life and current situation. I was so excited to even remember what I wanted to ask him. I couldn't believe that I got a text from my SA for the bag that I had on my wish list. I'm even more thrilled when I see it in person. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oops, I had to skip right here. The unboxing will be in next video, so it can be more special. I can't wait to share with you my new addition. If you can guess what I got, please comment below. Here are some more eye candy. Look at the beautiful jewelry. Look at this mosaic collection. Oh, how I love the gold. The tableware are so gorgeous. The displays are so beautiful. Look at the color of the throws. Here are some buckles for men in gold and palladium hardware. Every time I come here, I have to take selfie with this mirror right here. Something about this mirror. I love taking pictures with it. And behind that mirror is a private room. Here are some buckles for women belts, also in gold and palladium hardware. Now I'm just waiting for my SA to wrap up the box. Last time, 2 months ago, I came for my appointment but didn't accept the Kelly bag my SA offered. I felt so bad and sad leaving the store. This time, I'm super happy. I'm so happy today. Look at this big one. I'm leaving the store so happy. To Hermes and then I'm gonna make another turn at Hermes. On the right you can see the ore, flywheel, and Christian Louboutin here, Montclair, Jimmy Choo. On the left. Now we can make right turn. On the right here is Leena Square. There are Louis Vuitton, Burberry, no Gucci in there, Rolex, Prada, many stores in there. Can you see that? Orange bag. Very iconic bag, right? Love it. Oh, I can't wait to open it and share with you. So excited. Plaza again. I'm gonna share with you what is in my bag today, and not many things because I didn't go many places, just one store. So this is all I have in my bag. Can you see there? I'm gonna take one by one out so you can see what it is. Big box for the sunglasses, which I got from Chanel. It is beautiful glasses I'm wearing right now. I can see here the lip gloss from Saint Laurent. This is the Hermes lipstick that I'm wearing right now. And I use this card holder as a mini wallet. So I have all my cards in here. And this is the key pouch that I have my husband's car key in here. And I use it to keep gloves in here. Some wipes. Extra mask. I have one on already, and this is extra. This is hand sanitizer, and this is the crochet that I keep in the dust bag, not on the bag right now, and I just leave it in here. Here's my phone, and that is all. I have the felt organizer, the same color as the bag. Look how beautiful this bag, the stitching, the contrast color, white stitching, beautiful. And today I use the ribbon from Hermes to wrap the handles. Look at this. This is in gold color with palladium hardware. This is cute little orange charm, shopping bag charm. And how cute is the ribbon on the handle? So cute. And I'm wearing the CLIC H today. I hope you enjoyed my shopping vlog at Hermes. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's be friends and share our interests about luxury. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye bye.